864 divided by 16. So remember that the dividend, 864 here, needs to go on the inside of the division for long division. And the 16 will be on the outside the divisor right there. Now, again, I'm not very familiar with my 16 multiplication table, so I would recommend, and this is what I'm going to do, is writing the multiples of 16 out here to the right. Okay, so I'm going to do that in green. Of course, the first multiple is just itself, just 16 in this case. And then I'd say, oh, let's add 16 to that to find the second multiple. So there's our first multiple there. 16 plus 16, 6 plus 6 is 12, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 32. So there's our second multiple. Add another 16. I feel like I should be writing that smaller so I can fit it. 2 plus 8, 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. So there's our third multiple. Add another 16. 8 plus 6 is 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. So 64 there. Here's our fourth multiple. Add another 16 here. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 plus 1 is 8. So there's our fifth multiple. Add another 16 there to make this, that's just directly a 96 right there, which is the sixth multiple. Then add another 16. 6 plus 6 is 2. Carry the 1. 1 plus 9 plus 1 is 11. Where's that seventh multiple? So the next one will be the eighth multiple. 2 plus 6 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. 128. Here's our eighth multiple. And then the ninth multiple. Another 16. 8 plus 6 is 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Drop the 1. 144. So there's our ninth multiple. And that's all we need. And yeah, I just kind of barely fit that in. That's okay, as long as it fits. So then we're ready to divide now that we have our list of multiples of 16. So 16, again, we start with the place value farthest to the left here in the 8. And we see 8 is too small to split 16 times. So I can put a 0 there to hold that place value. Not that you have to. You're welcome to, though. And now I look at this number as though it were 86. So I look at my multiplication, the chart, right? The multiples of 16. And I see 86 is just above the 80 right there. And 80 is the fifth multiple of 16. So I know 86, it should go into 64 5 times. Kind of clarifies the 5 right there. So I would say, well, 5 times 16, what is it? Well, that's the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth multiple right there. That's 80. So we used up 80 of the 86. And 6 minus 0 is 6. 8 minus 8, that just cancels away. So 6 is smaller than 16. That's good, because 16 won't go into 6. But if I drop the 4 to make the 64, it will go into that value. So I'd be looking at this one saying, all right, 16, how many times does it go into that 64 right there? Well, is 64, yeah, 64 is an exact multiple. 1, 2, 3, it's the fourth multiple right there, 64. So I know 16 will go into 64 4 times, because 4 times 16 is 64. So subtracting that out means we have nothing remaining, but our quotient is 54.